Christmas cabaret this year was absolutely beautiful, and Adelie did an amazing job in her solo. I wanted to just share with you guys this year snippets of my life as I have intentionally celebrated and enjoyed a classic traditional Christmas, and I wanted to reflect on where we were and where we are today.
Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. You know what? I can't believe that it is already that time of year. And Keelan and I just finished decorating his set for 2023 Christmas photos, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I hope that you enjoy it. I will link as many of the items that I can find down in the description box below. Keelan purchased a ribbon and another couple of items that he sourced from TMI Gifts, and I'm almost positive that they do ship. So I will include their website as well. And I'm just proud to say that we did this entire set with basically items out of his garage. So don't be afraid to use what you have. That's the beauty of a classic Christmas, that you can mix and match things and it works out absolutely gorgeously in the end. So let's get started.
So this year's theme was a classic or traditional Christmas, and I absolutely love kicking off my holiday season decorating Christmas sets with Keelan Walker Photography. He does an amazing job picking out the themes, and this year he wanted to go with the traditional reds and greens with hues of like an ivory or champagne. And so one of the things that I love about his set is that they are 3D. So he puts a lot of time into the props and coming up with the themes, and that is kind of how we get started. We have to put in like a wall to make it look like a 3D set and not flat. And there are just different props that really make the whole scene pop for the family. While he's doing the set part, I'm typically decorating the trees. My apologies for the grainy video. We've been I think we forgot to wash the screen, but you guys kind of see how the process is, and I will share with you like what it really looks like on the camera so that you'll get a very clear depiction of what happened. So once the trees are done, we go in and do all the fine tuning in terms of like the smaller pieces of the set, and it really kind of creates more opportunities for a shot, whether it's on the floor with a baby or on the stairwell with a toddler or younger kid. We think about the whole thing. I'm wrapping gifts. I mean, we just think about the whole thing, and I love for my gift paper to match my tree. So give me a shout out in the comments if you like that. So here is what the set actually looks like, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I could not think of anything we could have done differently. I absolutely love it, and it turned out beautiful for the families as well that were taking pictures. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of what the set looks like in every nook and cranny so that you can see, and I'll play a little holiday music for your tour.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
So much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comments what color combination you plan on using this holiday season. Are you going to be more traditional, more neutral? Are you going to be more bold, more festive, modern? Let me know. I would love to hear it. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.